Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Sonos, quick guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Sonos speaker and placing it in your desired location. Ensure the speaker is plugged into a power outlet using the provided power cable. Download the Sonos app from your device's app store. Open the Sonos app and create or sign into your Sonos account. Select Set up a new system when prompted in the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected to Wi-Fi, the app will prompt you to add your Sonos speaker. Select the type of speaker you're setting up from the list provided. For a standalone speaker, choose the appropriate option and tap Next. The app will guide you to press the button on your Sonos speaker to establish a connection. Wait for the app to confirm that your speaker has been found. Choose the room where your speaker is located to help organize your setup. Follow any additional prompts to update your speaker software if necessary. Once the setup is complete, you can customize your speaker preferences in the app. Explore the app to add your favorite music services and start playing audio. Adjust the volume and settings as desired for an optimal listening experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.